You just found the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Rise to the challenge in style in this handsome Pathfinder. This three-row SUV offers standard driver assist safety features, impressive towing ability, thoughtful family-focused amenities, and a smooth, quiet ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.